How to change currency in MEXC. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Changing the currency in MEXC is quick and beginner friendly. Whether you want to view prices in USD, EUR or INR or other supported currency, you can update it in just a few taps. First of all, launch open the MEXC application on your device, or you may also go visit the MEXC website. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and once in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now you'll come to this page where you'll need to click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Currency. From the list of currency available, go ahead and select the currency you want to use. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your currency. MEXC will automatically update displayed asset values and market estimates in your chosen currency from now onwards. So that's how you can easily change your currency in MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.